So what's up mga choy? Guess where we are? Where are we?
Canigaw Island!
Boss, why? Why we're here?
Here to camping.
Talk to the camera.
We're here to camping.
Good.
With my Ichibuts kuya.
And?
And Daddy!
Yeah.
Kuya's are Ichibuts, not you then.
I'm gonna put that. No. So what's up mga choy? Yeah. So time check, it's already 2 PM. So grabing dami palang tao pag Sabado dito. Kasi long weekend din eh, kaya maraming tao. Ito kasama natin yung pinsan ko sa ibang planeta. Si Jet. So ito, chill lang kami muna. So yun, mamaya tingnan natin pag sunset. Dito sa sunset dari Jet, no?
Ato.
Dari ba? So mamaya tingnan natin yung sunset mamaya.
Sunbar.
Maligunas, no?
Sunbar.
So mamaya tingnan natin yung sunset. Tapos yung sunbar pala. Meron palang sunbar dito sa Canigaw. Yung Canigaw lumalaki siya pag low tide. Low tide. Lumalaki siya parang Kalangaman Island din. Can we just stay here?
What?
We cannot go there, it's far away. So mula doon sa pinagtenta namin, pinuntahan namin yung sandbar. Ang daming puno yung nagka-camp. But sobrang ganda. Alam mo naman
Calamela,
Grabe.
so I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Lumalaki kasi yung Canigaw pag low tide.
This how it's
So yan. Makikita mo yan Yan haba. Sandbar. So, what time is it? 8:54. Time check, it's 8:54. Ito yung situation namin dito. Hmm. Kuya's there in the hammock. Chilling. And me and Jed is chilling also. Ano tayo mga abs, be? Di mo na? So, ito, wala naman tayong magawa sa beach, di ba? Sa island.
What happened?
Ano lang, shot muna. Habang hindi pa inaantok. So, yun, may enjoying there's a lot. Ang daming campers ngayon. What?
Kanoni, I can't see you.
Wait. Say hi to the vlog, ma'am.
Hi.
So, here's Jace. Are you having fun?
Of course.
Is your experience awesome?
Of course.
Okay.
Dad, can I vlog me inside?
Okay, yeah. Hold this one. Talk to your mommy. I'm gonna vlog you. Okay, so Jace is gonna show you guys what's his tent look like. So explain it to the guys who's watching you.
Okay. Thing is,
So you have 2 beds, so
for me and Kuya,
and then
the hermit crab, and
what happened to your one? What happened to your tent?
and
Why there's a hole in your tent? Explain it to the guys.
it was me. I just kicked it. I explain this, man. I just explain it. I explain it. Then I just kicked the whole. I just kicked the whole thing right here.
Okay.
And really sure, the hermit crab, and
Where's-
the
Where's Kuya gonna sleep?
Ready?
Where's Kuya's gonna sleep? There's 2 beds inside. So
What?
where's Kuya's gonna sleep? Oh.
This is my bed and this is Kuya's bed.
Okay. How's your experience so far?
Looking good.
Okay. Is it a 2 thumbs up?
Yep.
Say, good mga choy.
Good, mga choy.
So, on and Jit. My drinking buddy. Oh, pare-pareho rin pumiglawas ha. And this is our tent. So, nakita ko sa inyo yung tent namin.
What?
So, yan. Pasko na yung tent mo. Tapos Pasko rin dito sa akin. Ano yun? Tapos dito. Dito yung isang campers. Hey, ano ba? What's up ba? Sunlight. What's up guys? Shy siya, shy.
This?
You know, parang ako lang oh.
Here?
So yun.
Where, man?
See you tomorrow. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sunrise tomorrow.
Come
Kasi kanina nandito yung sunset sa north. North pala yung sunset, no? Hindi ko alam yun eh. So, south.
So I need a...
Dito yung south. So, nandito sa harap namin yung sunset bukas.
I'll talk to you.
Sana makita natin. Sana hindi umulan. So, see you tomorrow, mga choy. Yeah. At dahil hindi nagpakita sa amin ng sunrise, kaya in-enjoy na lang namin ang umaga.